after so long. I have other friends and Aaron's not the only person I have in my life. Hi friends! Welcome to the Weeblings first ever vlog! In this vlog, we're going to be bringing you guys along as we film a TikTok sponsorship. If you guys are new here, we are Singaporean siblings on our journey to $1 million. And we're recording our entire journey and putting it on the internet.
So on here, we talk about how to make more money with less time.
We're done filming the sponsored video and now I'm going to the gym.
Okay, I want to get more strength, so I need to do heavier weights. But then I also want to do get hypertrophy, so I need to change my workout. But if I get hypertrophy, it's harder for me to climb because I get heavier. So that's bad. Good chest is too.
Good chest. So apparently my chest muscles are so weak that I injured my chest while doing pull-ups.
She hurt her chest while doing pull-ups. Can you believe that?
At least I can do a pull-up.
Well, not anymore.
I can do 3 pull-ups, Aaron! So I just finished doing a bunch of work and you guys are now sitting on my toaster watching me eat supper. It's about 12:30 right now. I was building the Notion template and I'm now having chips and salsa. Yum. Hi friends, happy Tuesday. So it's already I think 4:30 and this is the first time I'm picking up the camera because I came to the office today and I'm horrible at vlogging in public. I'm actually hiding in the back storage room of the office right now. This is also where we store like our woolies. So Aaron is down with food poisoning today. So I don't think he's vlogging yet. We'll see. We'll update you when I get back if Aaron is alive or dead. We're actually out of Win's home, so I'm gonna have to open a new box to bring back. This is so freaking sharp, man. So I'm gonna bring a few of these home. So I'm finally home. Let's check on Aaron. Also, outfit. He's awake. He's just being lazy. Mochi. Upside down. Black sesame mochi. Aaron's watching me eat it because he has food poisoning and he can't eat it. Haha. Haha. Anyone else track their sleep like I do? Supposed to go for a workout, but I ended up making myself comfortable in Aaron's room on his desk.
You may get out and stop destroying my room.
Oh yeah, so instead of working out because Aaron is sick and I'm lazy, we are just doing some work until our secret meeting at 10 o'clock. Potential project. Hi friends, it's about 11:45 right now. I just went for a run. I'm gonna go back up and shower, do some work, and then go to sleep. See you guys tomorrow. Hi friends! It's 2 o'clock right now.
2 o'clock.
So I'm going to the office and then Aaron's gonna stay at home and rest. And tonight we're gonna refilm our draft. No, we're going to refilm our sponsorship video to the final version. Hopefully that gets approved so we can post it tomorrow. Since we're going to be wearing the exact same outfit as
Sarah,
our
your
first
hair
video.
and face looks like shit today.
I have to make sure that my hair looks exactly the same as it did on Monday. Not sure if I was successful, I think I failed, but oh well. Just bought a bunch of speakers to test out for the office. They're only 20 bucks and they're HP, so hope that it works well. Hi friends, I just got home from the office. This is the idiot behind me. I spent the entire day building a new task management system on
which she is not going to use and she's going to donate it to me.
We're currently refilming our sponsored post, and as you can see, we're in the same outfits as Monday. Our script is currently at over 1 minute, so we are trying our very best to trim it down. We're also struggling to get the same lighting as Monday, so fingers crossed. We made it, guys. We made it.
After so long, so much editing. Oh.
59 good seconds. We just finished dinner. I am still having my stomach ache, so I'm taking pills, and we are going to the gym. Aaron's quitting early because he says that he's not sweating even after working out.
I think I'm getting a fever. I'm still working out while I have a fever.
So physio's advice is to keep working out while having a fever.
No.
So we just got back from the gym and I'm going to continue to do some work while Aaron's showering. In case anyone was wondering, this is how my setup looks like when I am building Notion pages. So this is the page that I am building today. It is my action zone. It's where I'm going to spend most of my day. So usually I have Todoist right here, but I'm trying to create a system where I only need to use one app. So I am trying to replace Todoist with Notion as well. So I have Notion with a today page. That'll be all my tasks, and for today, and this is the timeline that I'll be following. So I've done all the things that I had to do this afternoon, so they're all ticked off. And I have my Mac screen open. This is just to check color for images, because I think my Mac is more color accurate. And then I have my quick capture area that I'm designing. So this is for me to use on my phone, where I just click a button and I add new tasks or new notes, and then they appear in the inbox and I sort them out later on. And this is Pinterest, where I'm getting all my pictures, and this is the mood board that I'm working off. So here you go, an overview of my obsessive Notion behavior. Hi friends, happy Thursday. Currently 2 p.m. I am in the midst of doing work, and Aaron has gone back to clinicals today, so he will be around at home. Aaron and I are going bouldering tonight, so we'll probably bring you guys along as well, and it should be fun. Also, before I eat my lunch, I'm gonna have some supplements. This is these two are L-glutamine for my stomach. This is biotin, this is vitamin C, this is like a vitamin B multivite sort of thing that my mom got me. This is fish oil, and then this is magnesium for the heart. And I also have probiotic for my stomach. So I ordered some food from Grab. I definitely ordered way too much for me. Ordered the bulgogi beef pizza. Oh, look at the cheese. It's way too big for me. I think I'll only end up eating like half of it. But cheers. Aaron will love this. When I'm eating, I am normally watching like NFT or stock or crypto updates on YouTube at 1.5 times. Alright, back to work now. I'm not sure if I'll pick up the phone or camera till we're climbing, so if I don't see you then. Alright, sorry I disappeared the entire day as expected. I had a lot of work to do, a lot of meetings, and I also had to get the sponsored post out today. We're doing a giveaway, but I think by the time this video goes up, it's gonna be over already. Sorry guys. I just walked all the way into the car park only to realize that my dad left the car for me like below, right outside our block. So I just walked like 3 minutes for no reason. So I'm definitely gonna be late. Too bad, Aaron. Sorry. Say hi to the vlog.
If it doesn't drop down, but you still benefit from the water to drop. Yeah. Okay, so we just came back from climbing and it's been an extremely tiring day. We went for dinner at this barbecue place and it was really, really good. But my food poisoning is still messing my stomach up. So I hope I don't puke tonight. So we have just been sitting here for like half an hour, just discussing stuff, and I was mainly bringing up the ideas about going private, staying in the hospitals, and I'm not really sure exactly how I want to approach it. And so I was just asking for Sarah's advice as well. Stupid advice.
So for lunch today, I'm gonna warm up the leftover pizza that I ordered yesterday. And while that's warming up, I'm going to make some coffee. I'm making a latte today. Oh no. I'm only doing 1 shot of espresso because I'm going to be making matcha for Aaron and I later. So my concoction is with ice. For 1 shot of espresso, I put about 75 ml of milk. 75 ml. And then my espresso. I also add a pump of agave syrup just to make it a little bit sweet. I just splashed coffee all over myself. So I changed out because I spilled coffee all over the previous shot and Aaron's still sleeping, so let's go wake him up. Boo! Boo! It's not working. Get up!
2:30. 8 more minutes.
Say hi to the vlog first.
Hello.
Now that it's been established that I'm the most annoying sister in the world, I'm going to style my hair and get ready for filming. Hi friends, this guy's finally awake and we are vlogging. Oops, let me turn the camera around. Currently making a video of us making our strawberry matcha latte. We are currently bulk filming videos for TikTok. What a way to spend on public holiday. So we just filmed 7 videos! 7! And then I'm going out. I'm changed, dressed up, I'm going out. See you guys.
She's gonna get drunk.
Maybe, but that's not the point. The point is that I have other friends and Aaron's not the only person I have in my life. Despite what it may seem on social media, I have friends! But Aaron is spending his public holiday staying at home and he's gonna film a YouTube video for you guys. You guys are his only friend. Guys, this is proof that I have more friends than just my brother. Hi friends! Happy Saturday!
Oh yeah, we're having family dinner now.
We forgot to vlog the entire day, but we met Chicken Genius today. We'll put a picture somewhere here. He was really nice and he gave us like so many tips.
Oh yeah.
Stocks, property, macroeconomics, everything. Yeah.
That man's a genius.
He's super nice too. Thank you, Chicken Genius.